welcome to my channel. This is Camille here. Today I am doing a DIY flower wall thing. I got some inspiration on Pinterest and I've been seeing that it's kind of trending, kind of not, but I'm doing more like a tropical one, not like just regular flowers. So I got some flowers at Hobby Lobby and I also have some from Walmart. I'm pulling some apart, so I may need to take these floral cutters away. We'll see. I've also got a glue gun, so it helps keep everything together and looking nice, not moving around too much and looking floppy. Of course, glue stick. My other flowers, so I got some orange ones, cute, beautiful colors. Some like reddish, pinkish tint, and these light pink ones. And also got some banana leaves. I'm not sure if I'm gonna need all this, so I guess we'll see. And I kind of took pictures of what the before of all these were because I'm starting to pick them out so I could kind of put them together. And I also have fishing line. This is what I'm using as like I'm gonna put together. So it's gonna, what I'm doing with the Walmart flowers, I'm gonna be putting it as like a part of the wall portion. So it's gonna be at the top, and then eventually I'm gonna do some lines. So I gotta figure out how many lines I want. I have a full bed, so I'm trying to figure out how far from my full bed to the top I want. So I'm trying to figure that out right now. I'm like in the beginning stages of like figuring it out. It may take me a couple days, so if my outfit changes, I will probably mention that. So don't be alarmed. I'm not like Lauren DIY where she's able to do things quickly. I wish I had that creative juice. And I'll also link down the Pinterest that I got like the instructions for. She has it a little bit different. I'm kind of going by what I'm thinking in my head. So I mean, you could do the same thing as what the Pinterest one says, or you could do what I'm doing. Let's get started. Oh, and my outfit for today, I have American Eagle shorts. They are high rise, and I really like them. They do the tie-ons, really comfortable, good appropriate length. And I got this shirt from Daytona Beach back a couple years ago. So I just checked it. It's pretty good in length. I may put a little bit more fishing line just to give it a little bit more length, but I think I have enough flowers to the point it's not too awkward if I put more leaves in. This is what my border is starting to look like on the top where it's going to be hanging. So I'm just going to have to glue some of it. Hopefully it stays like that. Not really good with creative things, so we'll see. Make sure you don't burn yourself when you're gluing. It does get really hot. Update. So I got the wrong like glue sticks, so I had to get mini ones. I had a full glue gun a while back, so I just went out of habit, but I lost that one, so I had to go back. They gave me exchange at Hobby Lobby, which is really nice, and now I'm gluing, and I kind of got some on the carpet, so hopefully my mom doesn't get mad. Whoops. So right now I have it all set up. I actually started using Tacks to hold it up because the tape was not holding up. It literally fell through whenever the nights that I was trying to keep it up, just so I have an idea how tall my bed might be. So I kind of use like a chair just to like level it out, just because I don't know how tall my bed is and how far I want it. So I think for this should be good. So I'll probably try to like hit somewhere right here because I don't want to like too long to the point it like kind of tickles my neck at night. So I have this all set up. This is what I want it to look like. I did give it some room with the fishing line just so I'm able to tie it if I need to, or you know, tack it down for some reason. I think I may just leave it flowy for the most part. I just have to tack it up here for that portion, but everything else should let it go slowly, and hopefully that works out. Alright, so this is the finish of the flower wall. As you can tell, I was out of these, so I just kind of like did the similar thing except without those leaves, but otherwise it looks good. Like, I already taken a selfie. I'll insert the selfie at the end, but I think it'll look good, and I think that's enough. I was gonna do 3 or 4, but they're kind of thick as it is, so I don't think it would look really good. It'll be kind of crowded. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a very tough project to do. I probably would suggest something a little bit easier if you're not creative, because I'm not creative at all. I've seen the one that I'm gonna probably link down below, the instructions and how she did it. It's a lot easier. And thank you for watching. Bye now.